Starting a detergent powder manufacturing business is one of the most feasible business options, owing to the straightforward manufacturing process involved. Being a consumer good, people use it on a daily basis for clothes, hand wash, and kitchen utensils, and its demand is found in the market all through the year. Moreover, an entrepreneur can initiate a detergent manufacturing business with moderate capital investment. The manufacturing of detergent powder is not so complicated and involves mixing of different ingredients in the right proportions. The ingredients required for making formulation of washing detergent powder are soda ash 67%, global salt 2%, linear alkyl benzene sulfonic acid 18%, sodium tripolyphosphate 3%, triple superphosphate 2%. Sodium hydroxide 2%, sodium lauryl sulfate 1%, silky 0.5%, optical brightener 1%, enzyme 0.5%, Nansa powder 2%, colored granules 1%, and fragrance as desired. First, take soda ash in mixing machine. Then add linear alkyl benzene sulfonic acid slowly to prevent agglomeration. While mixing of the soda ash, take another container to make sodium hydroxide solution. For this, take sodium hydroxide and same amount of water. Stir the mixture for few minutes and leave it to get cool. Add the sodium hydroxide solution made in step 2 in the mixing container. Now successively add global salt, sodium tripolyphosphate, triple superphosphate, sodium lauryl sulfate, silky, optical brightener, enzyme, Nansa powder, colored granules, and your desired fragrance. Equipments needed: mixing vessels, in which all materials are going to be mixed, container for making sodium hydroxide solution, mass balance, sieve for making final product powdery. The factory location should be chosen carefully in mind that the location should have adequate availability of water, electric power, and transportation. Moreover, it should also be set up in a region having close proximity to the source of raw materials and somewhat nearby the target market. Purchasing raw materials consumes about 60% of the detergent business's working capital. Even though the detergent manufacturing business is highly profitable, there is stiff competition from various big brands. So, products should be priced accordingly considering all factors. At first, you can focus on targeting your local market and then think of expanding your operations to nearby areas. Establish a strong distributor-dealer network. Employing commission-based sales representatives can help a great way of boosting sales.